I may shed some tears cause I'm not supposed to be here. Bad bitch that showed me she cared, so why would I care? This is my year.
You know how we do this shit. So yeah, I'm gonna hit you up. I'm gonna hit you back. We got you in Turks and Caicos. We about to get gangster with it real quick. What's good, YouTube? We back at it again with another video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. Reporting live from Turks and Caicos. We finna give you another house tour. Welcome to my crib, MTV crib. Hey man, let's get it started. I got my baby girl behind the camera. Hey.
Never mind the busted basketball.
Yeah, that
board
we're not
behind
even
us.
gonna hoop out here. We're not even gonna hoop out here. But hey man, we got the little ping pong table. We got the pool table. We got the little chill vibe right there. Show them the street view. Got a little cul-de-sac, our own cul-de-sac leading up to the crib. Hey man, got the palm trees. We got some good vibes out here. Come on, let's bring them around. Let's bring them around. I'm just gonna showcase you the pool right here. Give them a little showcase because we gonna see it a couple times. There's different angles you can see it. Water feel good. Water feel nice. Let's get it. Let's get this workout in. Hey man. I think we locked ourselves out, but luckily this might be open.
Unless we lock that too.
I'm bringing you out through the kitchen. So this is the kitchen right here. It's kind of dark. Is it good on camera? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Got the kitchen, got the dining table, dining area. Let me close this door. Baby girl don't want mosquitoes coming in to bite her. Hey man, that's good enough. You have to deal with it. Bring it to the living room. Welcome to my living room. Got a nice little spacious, we call this house the White House. Luxury yacht included. Bacanard, you dig? Got nice furniture, nice sectional, nice space. Like I said, it seats about 16 to 18, but it's only 5 of us. It's my people's room. Let me not be all up in there. They got the walk-in closet, they got the bathroom, they got the king-size bed. Enough said. Right here, we got the next bedroom. This is an open bedroom. We don't got nobody to fill it. Shit, if you're trying to pull up, you can have it. Hey man, we got another bathroom right here. Another bedroom right here. That's my little brother's bedroom. He got 2 beds. You can choose which one you want to sleep on each night. He got it. Let's keep it moving. Taking it back to the dining room. We're gonna pass it the dining room, and guess what we're gonna enter? Movie theater. We got the little movie theater vibe up in here. We in Turks and Caicos with it. Keep it moving. Hey man, before we go upstairs, that's the last thing we're gonna show. We're gonna take you right back outside. We got another room over here. This is my older brother's room. He kicking it, big chilling up in here. Got his own bathroom. Got his closet, got everything going on. Got his little patio to kick it and chill. I love the house because you can exclude yourself from everybody whenever you want to. I love that aspect of it. Hey man, you saw that room? That's just the same thing. We got another room down there. It's not being used. It's for whoever. Or is that the gym?
It's a gym.
Oh, I was looking for the gym. I lied to y'all. That's the gym. Let's get it. gym for you, bruh. We got the gym for you, bruh. I'm gonna get a workout in. And hey man, we good. Let's keep it moving.
Close doors.
Keep it moving. Now, if I was looking for the gym, we found the gym. That's what's up. Let's keep it moving. If you're going swimming and you need to use the bathroom, take a leak real quick. You got your bathroom out here real quick. Bathroom in there. Hot tub. We got the hot tub for you. Hot tub, baby. We got the swimming pool. I can take you around back. Hey, I don't know if you saw the swimmer bar. Mm-hmm. Got a little swimmer bar right here. This will be a live ass place to throw a live ass pool party. What do you call this? The cabana or whatever? Mm-hmm. Chilling, man. We big chilling. Relaxing. Keep it moving. So I kind of got a good view. So many seating areas. God damn. They put it for like 20, 25 people. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The pool, 23, 24, 25, 26. Hot. Hey man, you can put like 40 people back here. Real ass party. Hey man. We finna hit y'all the grand finale. You can take them upstairs. I'm gonna follow behind you. A little baby crib. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so put the game there. Okay. And this is where I'm staying, baby. Penthouse suite, top floor. We don't do ramen anymore. You see where I'm at? I'm gonna take you to the bathroom. I'm gonna take you to my closet for a couple days. Close all these doors. It's all up in your way. My friend. Close all these doors. Hey man, we good. Yes, this is the closet. This is the bathroom. This is the White House, baby. Turks and CAICOS version of the White House. Not that shit y'all be seeing up in the States. Let's get it, keep it moving. Grand finale. Let me just make sure this ain't no balcony doors. Oh my gosh, it's a balcony too, baby.
It's the same balcony.
Yeah, I didn't know. But this is one balcony over here. They got 2 entrances. I'm killing mosquitoes one by one. They got so many mosquitoes out here, but we gonna survive. First balcony. See the vibes. Show them the ocean. Ocean back there. See it? Let's take you to the other balcony within the same room.
That's where I'm staying.
You said what?
I pointed and I told him that's where I'm staying.
Oh.
My little cot.
She lying. She getting luxury. This the other balcony, baby. This the other balcony. This the little rooftop they got going on right here. That's the penthouse suite of the White House. Got plenty of space. This is a real party vibe. Tell me this ain't a party vibe. Mm-hmm. Look at this is a whole rooftop party right here. Hey, this shit lit. Just get on my angle view. I know you see the height, baby. Get on my angle view down here. This the White House, baby. Hey man, I'm dropping for y'all YouTube. I am dropping for y'all. Let me give them the view. Let me give y'all the high angle view. Aerial view, let's get it. Boom, palm trees. Boom, pool, balcony, my room, Ocean back that way. Hot tub. Pool. Bar. Seating area. Cabana. Hey man, that's it for this video. Look at my beautiful baby. Hey babe, I'm about to close this hoe out. So, I'll holler at y'all later. Y'all like more videos like this? If y'all wanna come on vacation, hey, comment down below. I'm gonna fuck with y'all later. You dig? I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe.
Talk to him, my young Nigerian king. Let him know it's your year.